Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble code B1228 indicates a malfunction specifically identified as a short circuit in the outside air temperature sensor circuit. This issue can affect the climate control system in your Honda Accord, leading to improper temperature readings and air conditioning performance. The outside air temperature sensor is located at the front of the vehicle, typically mounted near the grille. Its role is critical as it provides temperature data to the climate control system, which adjusts cabin temperature accordingly. If this sensor fails, the climate control unit may not receive accurate temperature readings, impacting the overall comfort of the vehicle's occupants. Understanding these components and their functions is vital for effective troubleshooting of the B1228 code in your Honda Accord from 2017 to 2023. DTC B1228, labeled as indicator 06, signifies a short in the circuit associated with the outside air temperature sensor. This sensor is crucial for monitoring external air temperature, allowing the climate control system to adjust air conditioning settings. Typically, it is positioned at the front of the vehicle, often near the grille, ensuring it receives unobstructed airflow for accurate temperature readings. A short circuit within this sensor's wiring can disrupt communication with the climate control unit, leading to failures in temperature regulation. This code indicates the need for diagnosing the sensor circuit to determine whether the fault lies within the wiring, the sensor itself, or the climate control unit. Understanding the position and importance of these components assists technicians in accurately diagnosing issues related to DTC B1228. Several factors may contribute to the emergence of DTC B1228. Firstly, a short in the TAM, temperature-adjusted monitoring wire, can occur, which disrupts the accurate transmission of temperature data. This can result from exposure to moisture, wear, or physical damage sustaining over time. Secondly, poor connections or loose wires within the outside air temperature sensor circuit may hinder effective communication between the sensor and the climate control unit. Checking these connections is crucial to eliminate faults that could result from improper wiring. Lastly, a malfunctioning outside air temperature sensor itself can present similar symptoms, leading to inaccurate temperature readings. Identifying the specific cause of the fault is essential in ensuring proper repairs and restoring functionality. When DTC B1228 is present, several symptoms may become apparent. One of the most common manifestations is incorrect temperature readings displayed on the climate control unit, which can cause confusion for the driver and passengers regarding cabin conditions. Additionally, a malfunctioning climate control system may lead to subpar heating or cooling performance, making it uncomfortable for occupants. This may arise from the climate control unit receiving erroneous data from the outside air temperature sensor. Furthermore, drivers may notice warning lights on the dashboard indicating that there is an issue that requires attention. Being aware of these symptoms can assist drivers in seeking timely repairs for their vehicles, preserving both comfort and safety. The first step in troubleshooting DTC B1228 involves using the HDS Honda Diagnostic System to clear the existing diagnostic trouble code. After clearing the code, it is essential to turn the vehicle to the off lock mode, and then back to the on mode. This action resets the vehicle's systems and allows for a new diagnostic assessment. Following this, a self-diagnostic function should be performed using the HDS or the climate control unit itself, which checks for the presence of fault codes again. The verification of whether DTC B1228 or indicator 06 reappears is critical. If it does, this indicates that the failure has duplicated and further investigations are warranted. However, if the code does not reappear, it may signify an intermittent failure. Inspecting for loose wires or poor connections on the outside air temperature sensor circuit should be conducted in such cases. In this second troubleshooting step, the vehicle should be turned to the off-lock mode to ensure safety during disconnection. Subsequently, the climate control unit connector A, which has 32 pins, and the outside air temperature sensor 2P connector should be disconnected. Availability of continuity between specified test points must be assessed next. Specifically, continuity should be checked between climate control unit connector, A pin number 11, and the body ground. This is crucial as the presence of continuity indicates a short to ground in the TAM wire. If continuity is confirmed, troubleshooting moves towards repairing the short. If not, it indicates that the TAM wire itself is not shorted, allowing for further progression in the diagnostic process. Step 3 of the troubleshooting guides technicians to conduct another continuity check, this time specifically between the TAM line and the sensor COM line. As in previous steps, the vehicle must be in the off-lock mode, with the connectors for both the climate control unit and the outside air temperature sensor disconnected. The evaluation focuses on continuity between climate control unit connector A pin number 11 and pin number 12. Discovering continuity in this instance indicates a short within the TAM wire leading to the sensor COM wire. If a short is identified, repairs must focus on that specific segment of wiring. In contrast, if no continuity is found, it implies that both the TAM and sensor COM wires are functioning correctly, necessitating the next troubleshooting step. The final troubleshooting step involves performing a test on the outside air temperature sensor itself. This step is pivotal, as it determines the functionality and integrity of the sensor. In instances where the sensor is found to be functioning correctly, it may indicate that the issue lies with the climate control unit, warranting its replacement. Conversely, if the sensor test reveals a failure, it must be replaced to restore accurate temperature readings to the climate control system. Ensuring that this step is thorough and precise is essential for effective repairs. Diagnosing the sensor accurately leads to timely interventions, increasing the efficiency and reliability of the Honda Accord's climate control system for optimal driver and passenger comfort. Final repair verification is crucial after addressing the issues leading to DTC B1228. Once repairs, including potential replacement of faulty components, are complete, it's necessary to check for the presence of any DTCs again using the HDS. This step confirms that the previous codes related to the outside air temperature sensor have been resolved. Furthermore, the proper functionality of the climate control system should be assessed. It should effectively respond to temperature changes without any inaccuracies. Finally, ensuring that the system is in a state of readiness confirms that all repairs have been successful and that the vehicle is functioning properly, ensuring comfort for all occupants. Preventive maintenance plays a vital role in preventing the occurrence of DTC B1228 and ensuring the longevity of the climate control system. Regularly checking connections of the outside air temperature sensor can help catch any issues before they develop into significant problems. Technicians should also inspect the wiring sleeves for any signs of wear, damage, or exposure that could lead to potential shorts. Monitoring sensor performance routinely can alert drivers to any gradual deterioration before it impacts overall functionality. Implementing these preventive measures can save both time and money in the long run by maintaining the integrity of the vehicle's components and ensuring consistent performance in climate control. In conclusion, addressing DTC B1228 in the Honda Accord requires a thorough understanding of the outside air temperature sensor's role and how it affects the climate control system. Proper diagnostics are essential to identify whether the fault lies within the sensor, its wiring, or the climate control unit itself. The troubleshooting steps outlined provide a clear and systematic approach to effectively resolve issues linked to this specific trouble code. It is equally important to emphasize routine maintenance checks to prevent the recurrence of DTC B1228. By staying proactive with preventive measures, drivers can ensure a comfortable driving experience and uphold the quality and performance of their vehicle in the long term. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.